In this video, we're going to learn how to fix WhatsApp stuck on restoring media. When you try to restore your backups on WhatsApp and it is completely stuck without the restoration being completed. Now, many times this is caused due to minor glitches and it can be easily fixed. Now, there are a couple of things that you can try out. Firstly, make sure that your internet connection is stable, whether using Wi-Fi or your cellular data. Now, if you're using a cellular data, you can just open up your WhatsApp and tap on the three dots on the top right, open up settings, and then open up chats. And make sure that your backup using cellular is toggled on. If you're using cellular data, if this option is not turned on, your backups won't be completed. Now, the second thing that you can try out is open up your settings of your phone and then open up manage apps. Search for WhatsApp inside manage apps. And now we just tap on clear data and tap on clear all data. Next, tap on full stop and tap on OK. Now this is gonna log you out of your WhatsApp and your restoring data should also stop. Now you can just tap open your WhatsApp app and try to restore the data again. If these things don't yet work, now what you can do is just uninstall the app of WhatsApp from your device. And once the app has been uninstalled, you can just download it again and try backing up your data. After you do these couple of steps, your problems should be fixed and you should be able to back up your data of WhatsApp. So if this video helped you out, leave this video a like and also subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.